Welcome to my channel. Hello fellas, welcome. My name is V. Today we are going to continue learning about grammar. No worries, this time it will be easy. It's just types of adjective. Easy. There are two main types of adjective. Adjektiva tak bertaraf, adjektiva bertaraf. Adjektiva tak bertaraf or unclassified adjective is an adjective that describe membership in a group, and also this adjective couldn't stand with more and most. So basically you couldn't compare these adjectives. Example? You know what? I'm done saying example. I would say in Indonesian, okay? Contoh. Contoh. Abadi, mutlak, sah, tunggal, ganda, kekal, gaib, buntu, genap, ganjil, bengkok. That's it. And then adjektiva bertaraf or classified adjective. First, we have adjektiva pemberi sifat. This is kinda confusing to translate. In Indo, adjective is kata sifat, right? And then in classified adjective, there is giver adjective, adjective. You know what? Sometimes we don't have to translate sub-chapter, do we? Maybe we can call it main adjective. Anyway, this type of adjective can provide a physical or mental quality and intensity. Contoh, aman, bersih, dangkal, indah. Wait, you only can say indah for things or view. If you wanted to say beautiful for girls, you say cantik. Cantik. Ganas, kebal, jelek, panas, dingin. And then second, we have adjektiva ukuran, size adjective. It refers to a quantitative measure. Berat, ringan, tinggi, rendah, panjang, pendek, kecil, besar, tebal, tipis, luas, sempit, mungil, lapang, longgar. Okay, third we have adjektiva warna, color adjective. Well, this is easy, just merah, kuning, hijau, biru, hitam, putih, jingga atau oranye, lembayung, ungu, kelabu or abu-abu, perak. If you want to say light or dark for color, you just put cerah or muda for light and gelap or dark. Gelap or tua for dark, like hijau cerah or hijau muda, the color that really hard to look for. watch this video to understand what I mean. So hard to look for. Maybe in the future I would make another video about colors. Next. And then we have adjective waktu. Time adjective. It refers to the ongoing process, action, or state of affairs. The words are lama, segera, lambat, larut, wait. It's late like late in the night. Not late when you are being late to attend a meeting or a class. Okay? Mendadak. Next. And then we have adjective jarak. Distance adjective. It refers to space between two things or places. The words are jauh, dekat, renggang. Well, not every language has perfect match of concept. Akrab. Okay, next. Adjective sikap batin. You know what? It can be really weird to be translated. Mental attitude adjective. Well, we can call it feelings or moods adjective such as bahagia, benci. It is close to verb anyway, but sometimes it can be adjective. Birahi, berani, cemas, gembira, heran. I don't know how to translate this word. In English, we know amazed, but amazed feels like takjub, not heran. Heran is something else. Heran is when you never think about what you see. That's why you heran. Meanwhile, amazed feels like takjub. When you feel so adored, you would say, wow, awesome. So yeah, basically you can say that takjub is positive way to react something, and heran is when you don't react good on something. You know what I mean? Iba, jahat, jemu atau bosan, kagum, kasih. Did I mention this in a relationship terms? Find out. Ragu, rindu, risau, sakit, sayang, sedih, segan, senang, takut, yakin. Yeah, some of words are close to another parts of speech. It depends how do you use it in a sentence. The last one we have adjective cerapan, perception adjective. Or you can call it senses adjective because it's related to 5 senses such as sight, hearing, smell, touch, and taste. Penglihatan, gemerlap, suram, terang, gelap. Pendengaran, bising, merdu, nyaring, serak. Penciuman, anyir, busuk, harum, semerbak, tengik, wangi. Perabaan, basah, halus, kasar, kesat, keras, lembab, lembut, licin, tajam. Perasa, asam, enak, lezat, sedap, manis, pahit, tawar. You know, there's interesting thing about this part. Sometimes there's case called synesthesia. It means that there's a combination of senses which is related to nouns and adjective which refer to two different kinds of senses. Contoh, betapa harum namanya. How fragrant his name is. It's nonsense in English, I realize that. But in Indo, it means he has a good reputation. His name is fragrant. Know what I mean? It should be for smell sense, but it became to hearing sense. Harimau itu tajam matanya. The tiger eyes are sharp. It means the tiger has sharp eyesight. Yep, it's kinda common in English, I guess. From touch sense to sight sense. Manis sekali wajahnya. Her face is so sweet. You know what? For some people, pretty and sweet are different. Sometimes we say, yeah, she's not pretty, but at least she has sweet face. And also for some people, beautiful girls are boring, but sweet girls are not. I'm not talking about behavior or attitude here. No, I'm talking about the face. There are pretty face and sweet face. Sometimes people say that I am pretty, sometimes they say I'm just sweet. I have no idea. But pretty is high level, meanwhile sweet is low level. We know that sweet should be taste, sense, but here we use it for the side. Well, I think that's enough for today. How was it? I hope my explanation understandable. Till next time, with always full of love regards, Fee stops chattering.